Welcome to our channel UK Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 BMW X7, an SUV that blends luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore its design, performance, interior, safety features, and pricing. Exterior. The 2025 BMW X7 commands attention with its massive kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Available in new color options and featuring 23-inch alloy wheels, this SUV exudes confidence and sophistication. Performance. Under the hood, the X7 offers a 3.0L turbo inline-6 or a 4.4L twin-turbo V8. The M60i delivers 523 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds. With BM's iDrive AWD and adaptive air suspension, the ride is both powerful and smooth. Interior. Step inside the X7, where luxury meets innovation. Premium leather, ambient lighting, and a curved digital display create a high-end atmosphere. The iDrive 8.5 system offers seamless connectivity, while optional captain's chairs enhance passenger comfort. Safety features. BMW ensures top-tier safety with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Automatic emergency braking and advanced driver assist features provide confidence on the road. Prices. The 2025 BMW X7 starts at around $82,000 for the iDrive 40i, with the M60i beginning at approximately $110,000. A fully loaded model can exceed $130,000. Outro. The 2025 BMW X7 is a masterpiece of luxury and performance. Would you drive one? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.